I didn't just want service to come from a perspective from staff or faculty. I wanted the students to be able to tell us their passions, and we would be able to form the service and different experiential learning opportunities based on what they're passionate about.
We as a core come together to not only plan the events, but also interact with the Alvernia community during those events.
The freshman year carnival that we did for the local community members with intellectual disabilities, the Night to Shine, that was one of the biggest moments.
I think people will come to realize this is something that I do want to add to my life.
With total experience learning, being at Alvernia University is the opportunity for undergraduate students to be able to work in our programs. We hire undergraduates for our after-school programs, for our summer programs, to do workshops and trainings with students, to engage with them on high-level research projects.
The OPIC Institute is a very special place. We serve as a catalyst for economic development and transformational student experiential learning. So we like to say those are our two pillars. In essence, I always say that we grow businesses and develop people.
We'll take the best and brightest students and ones that are high achieving, because those are the ones that we really see flourish in the program and really embrace the metamorphosis and change.
The Berks Community Health Center and the relationship with Alvernia University is this dynamic collaboration that will really benefit our students, but also the community, right? So this collaboration not only offers our students this transformative experiential learning opportunity, but it also has the potential to elevate the health and well-being of the community.
The apprenticeship degree program is intended to fill a gap. Many of our students, and part of higher ed is students who are in internships and in clinicals and have these experiences that prepare them for the professional world. But we have a gap of students who can't do those because they have to work in order to support themselves to obtain their education. So what we've done is we've partnered with employers who will pay the students to gain critical skills in their employment setting, prepare them over 2 to 3 years for potential jobs that may open in those companies. So it's filling a gap, and it's filling a gap for a lot of our students.